Did you know that WCCLS has caregiver kits for older adults? These kits are designed to inspire memory sharing that stimulates connections and conversation with those experiencing memory loss. Reminiscing can help people find comfort in their favorite things and to form connections with people in the past. So these kits may be used in the home or family setting, as well as in a care facility by visitors or employees. Recipients using memory kits have reported glimpses of enjoyment during the darkness of their memory loss. They also offer caregivers fulfillment and encouragement to continue the difficult work and journey of caregiving. WCCLS has a number of kits. You can see a couple of them here. There's a games kit, a cat kit, and other animal kits. Beach movie stars, seasons, life stories, patriotic, baseball, music, and many more. Today, because it's National Caregivers Month in November, I'm going to show you a caregiver help kit that is part of this series. And you can see each kit comes with a nice carrying bag and includes various things. This particular kit includes DVDs, CDs, conversation cards, books, and a binder. So let me pull these out really quick. All right, here are just some of the books that are inside. There's an activity ideas book, a guide for Alzheimer caregivers, a picture book. There's the care book, a workbook for caregiver peace of mind. You can photocopy these and use them. There's a family caregiver handbook from DHS. And the binder has all sorts of stuff. Let me move this back a little. Including more activity planning help, pictures to stimulate discussion, and flyers for help the caregiver, like stress, balancing caregiving and work, that kind of thing. These are the conversation cards. They come in their own case, and they are, again, for sparking conversation. So you could ask this question: what accomplishments in your life are you most proud of? What were your nicknames growing up? And these are just a couple of examples. There's also a CD, Top Tips for Transforming Your Caregiving Journey, a DVD, Caring for a Loved One with Alzheimer's, and a playaway of guided meditations for caregiver stress. And you could see, again, there's the games one, which has books and actual games, and a cat one, which has a cat, stuffed cat, some yarn, and a collar, as well as books, including a coloring book and some big pictures to look at. It also has a DVD of cat images, cat videos, and these flashcards of cats. There's also some talking points on these, which are super fun. So to find these, you can go to the WCCLS.org catalog, and you can search by looking for Caregiver Kit for Older Adults.